One of the early drivers for stocks today was FedEx. The company is buying the Dutch package delivery firm TNT Express for nearly $5 billion, cranking up the competition against rival UPS, this time overseas. FedEx shares were up about 3%, while UPS was off a fraction. Morgan Brennan has the details.
The acquisition of TNT Express will dramatically expand FedEx's reach in Europe, a market that until now it's had little share of. Chairman and CEO Fred Smith says there were many reasons to do this deal now.
The dollar exchange ratio was very favorable. The quantitative easing and the lower oil prices mean that the European economy has a better outlook now than it has for some period of time, and we thought that the planets lined up perfectly for this move.
In recent years, FedEx's global reach has been much more focused on Asia, where it's a dominant player. By acquiring TNT Express, FedEx immediately boosts its European presence, absorbing an existing network and one consisting largely of ground operations, allowing it to cater to e-commerce customers and at a time when diesel is less expensive. Analysts say this is a good move for FedEx, one that will put it in competition with Europe's two biggest shipping companies, UPS and DHL.
FedEx has been very good historically at buying companies. Look at roadway package services. They expanded and blew into FedEx Ground. They bought American Freightways, Viking, and Watkins and produced the largest LTL carrier in the U.S. called FedEx Freight. FedEx is really good at buying fixer-uppers and doing exactly that, fixing them up. And this is definitely a fixer-upper.
But it will all come down to regulatory approval, something being watched closely since competitor UPS also tried to buy the same company at a higher price several years ago. Regulators eventually blocked that deal due to worries about pricing because, unlike FedEx, UPS already had such a large presence on the continent. Under European law, FedEx will have to divest TNT's fleet of cargo planes. But analysts expect officials to ultimately approve this deal. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan in New York City.